What if your car could easily hit 1 million kilometers without draining your wallet? I've seen it happen with 6 different vehicles using 19 battle-tested Japanese-inspired maintenance secrets. One simple routine stops $8,000 transmission meltdowns cold. Another quietly adds 200,000 plus miles to your engine's life. Skip the right oil change window or ignore a basic wheel cover, and you're slowly destroying your motor without realizing it. And the final trick. It costs absolutely nothing, but could be the one that pushes you into 7-figure mileage territory. Stick with me, this is going to save you thousands. Trick number 19, progressive engine warm-up. 70% of all engine wear happens in those first terrifying 60 seconds after you turn the key. When everything's stone cold, metal parts shrink and all the oil has drained back into the pan. Revving it hard right away is like jumping out of bed and sprinting a 100-meter dash, something going to tear. Forget the old idle for 5 minutes advice. Nobody has time for that, but 20 to 30 seconds of idle, especially in winter, is realistic and smart. Japanese mechanics have done this for decades. Let the oil start moving, then drive gently, keep revs under 2,500 for the first 3 to 5 kilometers. No flooring it, no aggressive on-ramps. Cold pistons expand faster than cylinder walls, creating tiny gaps where metal grinds metal before full lubrication arrives. I've torn down engines where daily cold revving left cylinder walls looking like they'd been sandblasted. Rings destroyed by 60,000 miles. Modern oils are better, but they still need those critical seconds to reach the valve train, timing chain, and turbos. Master this habit and you can realistically add 100,000 miles or more to your engine's life. Trick number 18, transmission fluid and filter service. Lifetime fluid is one of the biggest lies in the car industry. Believe it and you're staring at a $4,200 plus transmission rebuild before 100,000 miles. Service automatic transmissions every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. CVTs, every 30,000 miles, no excuses. Always do a drain and fill, never a flush. High-pressure flushing can blast debris into delicate passages and cause bigger problems. Replace the filter every second service, whether it's an external one or requires dropping the pan. Old fluid turns dark brown and loses its friction modifiers. If it smells burnt, clutch material is floating around in there. I've watched Nissan CVTs grenade at 60,000 miles purely because owners trusted the lifetime marketing. A $250 service versus a $3,000 $6,000 rebuild. The math is brutal, do the service. Trick number 17, intake system cleaning. Carbon buildup is silently killing modern engines, especially direct injection (GDI) ones where fuel never washes the intake valves. Clean the throttle body, intake valves, and manifold every 25,000 miles. Port-injected engines get natural cleaning from fuel spray, but GDI engines let PCV oil vapor bake onto valves, creating hard carbon that causes misfires, terrible fuel economy, and rough running. Walnut blasting is still the gold standard. It removes carbon without damaging valves. Yes, it costs $400 $600, but it prevents far bigger bills. An oil catch can is cheap insurance, $100 $300 installed. Empty at every oil change. This maintenance isn't optional anymore if you want longevity. Trick number 16, throttle body cleaning. Low idle, surging at stoplights, or hesitation when pulling away. That thin black carbon ring around the throttle plate is usually the culprit. It confuses the ECU, which then learns bad habits and throws off your entire idle control. The fix takes 10 minutes. Key off, remove the intake boot. Don't force the plate on drive-by-wire cars, use the accelerator with key on, engine off, or remove the whole body. Spray only throttle body cleaner, never carb or brake cleaner. Wipe the carbon gently with a lint-free cloth, let it dry, then reassemble. Let it idle 5-10 minutes with no accessories, turn AC on for a couple minutes, then take a gentle drive so the computer relearns. You'll feel the difference immediately. Trick number 15, oil changes by driving pattern. That 7,500-mile oil change recommendation is marketing, not science. Most drivers are in severe service conditions, short trips, stop-and-go traffic, dust, extreme temperatures. Highway-heavy drivers can stretch to 6,000 500 miles. City and short trip drivers should change every 500 miles. Short trips never get oil hot enough to boil off moisture and fuel dilution. That leads to sludge, blocked passages, and expensive damage. Do the paper test every month. Warm engine, drop oil on white paper. Dark halo around the spot means fuel dilution. Change it now. I've seen engines knock at 95,000 miles from extended intervals. $50 oil versus $8,000 engine. Choose wisely. Trick number 14, highway cleaning runs. Pure city driving destroys engines over time because oil never reaches full operating temperature. Make time for 1 or 2 proper highway runs weekly, 55-65 mph for at least 20-30 minutes. This burns off contaminants, lets detergents clean internally, heats the exhaust to prevent rust, and properly exercises the transmission and turbo. One client only did 3-mile commutes. At 60,000 miles, her engine was sludged despite regular oil changes. Highway runs are mechanical therapy, everything works as designed. Trick number 13, OEM parts for critical components. Cheap aftermarket parts are how I see the same cars come back repeatedly. One extra $80 for an OEM water pump kept it alive for another 100,000 miles after 3 failures. For timing belts, water pumps, fuel pumps, sensors, and brake hydraulics, go OEM. The tolerances and materials are engineered for your specific engine. I've seen $6,000 engine repairs from a $50 cheaper timing belt that failed. Quality aftermarket brake pads like Ikebono or rebadged are usually fine, but write OEM only on work orders for critical items and verify part numbers. Trick number 12, MAF sensor cleaning. Lazy performance, worse fuel economy, or lean codes P0171, P0174. Your mass airflow sensor is probably dirty. It takes 10 minutes. Unplug, remove, spray with proper MAF cleaner, never anything else. Let dry, reinstall. Pair it with a quality dry paper air filter. Do this every 15-30-000 miles or after dusty conditions and watch power, economy, and smoothness return. Trick number 11, replace PCV valve every 30 to 60,000 miles. This $10.50 part controls whether your engine stays clean or turns into a sludgy, oil-burning mess. Stuck open or closed creates high idle, oil consumption, leaks, and extra carbon. Do the glove test at the oil filler. Gentle suction is normal. Replace it on schedule, especially on GDI engines, and pair with fresh filters. Trick number 10, brake fluid and pad inspection. Brake fluid is absorbing moisture right now, even in sealed systems. This drops the boiling point and sets up internal corrosion that can destroy ABS modules. $200 Flush every 2 years or 24,000 miles. Inspect pads every 15-30-000 miles. Replace before they hit metal. Fresh fluid is light amber. Dark means change it immediately. Trick number 9, early filter replacements. Filters are cheap insurance. Replace air filter every 15,000 miles, fuel filter every 20,000, cabin every 12,000. A dirty air filter makes the engine run rich, washing oil off cylinder walls. One customer's clogged filter caused a quart of oil burn every 1,000 miles, fixed after replacement. Trick number 8, cooling system maintenance. Overheating kills engines faster than almost anything. Check coolant monthly, inspect hoses every 6 months, flush every 30,000 miles with the correct OEM spec coolant. Wrong chemistry destroys aluminum parts fast. A $100 flush prevents $3,000 plus head gasket disasters. Trick number 7, high-quality fuel and additives. Always use top-tier gasoline, Chevron, Shell, Costco, Mobil. The detergents keep injectors clean. For GDI engines, use a good additive like Techron every 5,000 miles to protect injectors and combustion chambers. Cheap gas quietly costs you hundreds in hidden repairs. Trick number 6, belts and tensioners inspection. Timing belts give no warning before snapping, then valves meet pistons. Inspect every 30,000 miles, replace on schedule, usually 6,100 K. Always replace tensioners and idlers at the same time. One customer delayed on his Honda, $6,500 later, engine was toast. Trick number 5, rust prevention. Rust never sleeps. Apply fluid film or professional undercoating every 1-2 years, especially in salty or coastal areas. One $30 400 treatment per year can save thousands in frame, brake line, and suspension repairs. I've seen 15-year-old trucks look brand new underneath because of this. Trick number 4, general inspections every 6,000 miles. Catch problems while they're small. Check belts, hoses, brakes, fluids, tires, and suspension. One early radiator hose bulge caught during inspection saved a customer from a blown head gasket on the highway. Regular checks helped his Tundra hit over 500,000 miles. Trick number 3, regular fluid checks. Check all major fluids every month. Low levels destroy components silently. Brake fluid especially absorbs moisture. Dark color means trouble. Use exact OEM specs only. Wrong fluid has destroyed $1,200 power steering pumps. Trick number 2, tire care. Underinflated tires kill fuel economy and wear fast. Check pressure monthly using the door sticker. Rotate every 5,600 miles. Align yearly. Proper care easily adds 40% to tire life and prevents dangerous blowouts. Trick number 1, battery maintenance. Clean terminals every 6 months with baking soda solution, then apply dielectric grease. Corrosion causes weird electrical gremlins and kills alternators and starters. One quick cleaning saved a customer an unnecessary $800 alternator replacement. Bonus tip, use the exact oil spec. Wrong oil viscosity or API rating is a silent killer. Match exactly what's on your filler cap, both the weight and the SN/SB rating. Mixing incompatible oils leads to sludge, low pressure, and converter failures. This one detail separates engines that make it to 1,000,000 kilometers from those that don't. If you want to know the 17 deadly habits that destroy cars before 100,000 miles, check out my next video. Drop a comment with your current mileage and which trick you're trying first. I read every single one. Drive smart, maintain proactively, and your car will reward you with ridiculous longevity. See you in the next one.